And I'm here with you because I didn't do an update on my Exodus online wallet for a very long time. In fact, I haven't looked at it. But today I was going to open up my Ledger and my Exodus wallets, try to combine some stuff. I have about 15 digital assets, cryptocurrencies, if you will, and I wanted to blend down to my top 4 picks. Let me add in 6 top picks, because I'm definitely going to keep my Ethereum and my Bitcoin. But there's 4 coins that I'm really interested in moving everything to. And so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show part of it, but actually I just wanted to show you, like, before you freak out when you do an update on something like Exodus, just like kind of shut me down. Let me see if I still have the screen shut here. No. It took me right here. Finally, it allowed me to do a download to Web3 wallet right here. You see it up in the URL section. So, and turn it into a Chrome extension, which will be easier for me in the long term. So I thought, okay, great. And then it says restore your wallet. So I have, as I've mentioned many times in past videos, I have 3 different notebooks with all of my restore codes, just in case I lose my Ledger. I have in 3 different notebooks. I never keep any of those notebooks, not one with the Ledger. Okay, so you keep it in a separate 3 different places in your home. Every time you update a password, you have to break out all 3 of those notebooks and change it up in all 3. Otherwise, you frustrate yourself. So just get ready. So those are my first 3 words. I'm just going to continue here offline and restore this. I just wanted to make this short video to let you know that when you do something like this, you don't update the software on either Ledger or on your Exodus online wallet. I'm not sure about Trust Wallet. MetaMask works very similarly. You know, you just make sure you keep your phrases and you will always find a way in. Or you could always send in a support ticket, and this would probably be support@exodus.io, and that's what I would do if this didn't work for whatever reason. But it will work. I have the 12 words right here in front of me, and that's what I plan to do. So I just wanted to make a quick how-to video so that you don't someday find yourself caught up in missing an update. It's my own fault. I didn't open Exodus for a very long time. I'm going to say probably 6 or 8 months now. So, you know, they always do software updates. And sometimes if you're in there on the regular, you know, you could just click update. It'll make you re-enter your password and boom, done, right? This time it didn't because it went to Web3. I hadn't logged in 8-10 months. So, you know, this is how you do it. You just enter that 12 secret word phrase. Right down here, you'll see it says the word restore. And I'm going to click on that and boom, I'll be in my account. Okay? So just wanted to save you from freaking out in case you do something similar. All right. Thanks for joining me. Love you all. And I'll catch you on the next video. I'm making a few today because I've been slacking lately. There's one that's going to go up tomorrow and I think you'll like it. And the couple that I'm making today, I think you'll like also. And listen, if you ever want a one-on-one session, you can email me at zendevon@gmail.com. Please put just the word crypto in uppercase letters. Please don't add anything to that or say, can I move stuff here? Because I scan my email pretty carefully, but I get a lot of emails. So just please put the word crypto only. That's it. I would appreciate that. And we can schedule you up and get you, I don't know, your wallet restored or whatever it is that you need to do. Or if you just have a bunch of questions, that's great. And I should make a video about how those sessions go because it's important to know, you know, what you need uploaded, you know, like Zoom and have your passwords ready and all that kind of stuff. I usually send instructions before we get going prior to the date, but, you know, inevitably somebody forgets to do one part of that or another. So I'll go over that in a separate video. Okay, thanks so much. Catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.